Hey, y'all, come on in the kitchen. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at in the time zone. Uh, you know, one of my grandchildren, all 11 of them, they love a grilled cheese sandwich. In fact, Brooke brought Davis out yesterday morning and she said, we've got to get going, but you think you could fix him a grilled cheese sandwich? So I did. And you have to do a dance to get Davis to eat. But he is the candy monster. He knows where every piece of candy is in this house. And I'll hear him going in there and I'll hear those tin lids on the Lance jars, going up and down. And then he'll go around and check all the candy dishes. But to get him to eat something that's good for him, it's tough. It's tough. He and Olivia are candy fanatics. All right, so, and we, as the parents and grandparents, we love a good grilled cheese sandwich too. So I'm going to mix some mayonnaise and Dijon mustard and some paprika. Give it a little color. And then a little bit of hot sauce. But remember, we're talking adults here, not the children. In fact, Davis was so cute yesterday, y'all. He went to my jar of snack mix over there. And Michael loves it hot. So I bought some of those green wasabi little beads. And of course, that's the one that caught his eye. So he popped that in his mouth. He turned around and looked at his mama and said, I said, okay now, Davis, don't pick out the green. Don't get the green one. All right, so now I love this kind of deli bread right here, but you have to make sure that you match it up because, it changes sizes. So you'll want those breads, even. All right, so I'm going to mayonnaise both sides of my bread. Oh, and gosh, this is so fresh. Oh, my goodness. I love it when I can go in and get the deli bread like right out of the...
That's exactly what that is.
Now I'm going to put 2 different kinds of cheeses. I'm going to use Havarti, which I love that kind of cheese. And then I'm going to use American. I think I'm going to do it this way, though. Maybe so, you can get some of each cheese. There we go. I like that. I like it like that. Okay, I'm going to put in 2 pieces of bacon that we have cooked, and I reserved 3 tablespoons of bacon fat to caramelize our onions in. You can see they're nice and lightly caramelized. In fact, this is called, let me get another spoon, please, and a rag. Okay, I'm going to put so you can see that there's a good chance that the young people won't like this, but all right, let's see. We got some roasted bell pepper, red bell pepper, which gives it such a nice sweet flavor. All right, I didn't quite get all the skin on that one. Okay. All right, so we got our bacon, our 2 different cheeses. We've got our caramelized onions. We've got our sauce. All right, so I've melted some butter. So I'm gonna make sure both sides get buttered. Oh my gosh, this looks so good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And you could actually doctor it up with if you wanted some fancy lettuces or arugula or anything like that. A beautiful sandwich that's kind of brought over the top. So we're going to just brown this a couple minutes on each side until the cheese is melt. And then we're going to squat and gobble to listen to this crunch. Whoa. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so crispy, crunchy. And we got our chips and we got our pickle. Little pickle to go with it. Yum, yum. Now that's an adult grilled cheese sandwich. And let me remind you about the caramelized onions. Now the recipe is going to say cook them for about 5 minutes. No, it took maybe 20 minutes to really caramelize the onions. So 5 minutes is not enough. Speaking of minutes, I can't wait another minute. Mm. Mm. Doggies. It's so good. It's just delicious, y'all. I hope that y'all like it as much as we like it. Mm. And a good crisp pickle with it. Love and best dishes, y'all, and I'll see you on the next video.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.